A very good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to cook roasted oats kheer with you, and here we go. So this is my dry fruit plate, a plate full of dry fruits, as you can see, walnuts, then almonds, pistachios, figs, raisins, and a date. So I am going to soak them in some hot water for some time. Till then we can roast our oats. So this is my non-stick kadhai. This is a half a small bowl of oats, which I'm going to roast without using any oil. But it is up to you. You can use some ghee if you wish to. You can add some ghee. Now finally, as if they are getting red in color, my oats, so I'm going to add them with some cardamom and seeds as well. You can use seeds, berries, whatever you want to add to make it tastier and sweeter. Because at the end I won't be using any kind of sweetener into it. I have already used a date and 2 figs, which gives a very sweet taste to this kheer. So the time has come to add all of them finally together. And make sure that they should get very well roasted. But you have to be little alert that it doesn't start burning the oats. The flame should not start burning the oats. So it's very important that you be cautious while cooking. I'll show you the texture as well, the beautiful color. Let me just bring the camera closer to what I'm making. See how beautiful it is looking. You know, you can eat it as a mixture as well, a diet mixture sort of a thing. And now this is a cup full of milk. This is cow milk that I'm using. You can use even almond milk, but then you will have to be very attentive while the temperature increases. You have to keep the flame very low. But in this it is fine. I can add some water as well if I wish to, but the cow milk texture is already in itself, it's very thin, so there is no need. Now I'll be adding the leftover cardamom to this kheer. As you know, cardamom is very expensive, one of the very expensive spices now, and I love this one. I don't know, I just put it in everything, like all the desserts, the Indian desserts, and especially my tea. I cannot skip it. Once a boil comes, it shall be ready. I don't prefer to keep my roasted oats kheer very thick, so I keep it in a thin texture. See how beautifully it is coming out, and trust me, it's very, very, very tasty and nutritious. So it is solving both the purposes and very quick. It's a very quick recipe for people who don't have time and they want to fill up their stomach. They have to somehow satiate their desire of eating something sweet. So here it is. Enjoy the tasty, tasty roasted oats kheer, unsweetened one, without anything else into it. But if you want, you can add in some honey, stevia, jaggery, and even sugar if you wish to. I shall be keeping it as it is and having the breakfast of my day. So final look, and bye bye, take care, have a healthy, safe life. Take care.